Hey guys, it's Rob from Ginger Woodworks, and I'm here to show you the new Dewalt Compact Atomic Series. So check it out. So first up, we've got the 1/2-inch impact wrench. So that comes in this kit that I've got here in the Tough System 2.0. It's got 2 speeds. One of the things that I do like about this impact is that it does have the option, as you can see, no light, right? Light. We got a brighter light. So you can turn the LED light on or off. If you are going to look for full power, you're obviously going to go with a bigger battery. This one here, I've just got the 1.5 on here. The reason I've got that 1.5 on here actually though, is because this 1.5 is pretty close to the size of the new Dewalt Power Stack that we're going to get in next week. I'm going to show you a little bit more of that, but I just wanted to make sure that you see this impact with that size battery. So next in the kit is the 3/8 impact wrench. You've got the same features, the 2 speeds. You've also got, again, you've got the options for having the light on, having the light off. Definitely kind of a cool feature. If you need the light, great. If you don't, save some battery. So the third and final one in this new Compact Atomic set is the 1/4-inch impact. This one's pretty standard. It's my personal favorite. I'm going to use this one quite a bit. I do like it is extra compact. So let me pull this out. Let me show you next to, so you guys can see this. Let me show you next to the 1/2-inch. But this thing is mighty compact. You're going to like this. I'm super excited about it for cabinet work, anything that's in close, tight, personal. This one here, I want to show you something. So this one doesn't have the light, turning it off, turning it back on, like the other 2 in the set do. But what we do have is 3 speeds. So let me show you, just listen to this, the power that you get. So this is the first speed. So minor stuff, kind of cabinet work, removing screws, things like that, that's going to be great. Whole lot more power with the second speed. And there you go. You can hear it. Real beefy. You're going to get quite a bit of torque on that sucker for, you know, whatever it is you need to do. So there it is, guys. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. What I'm really excited about is that this set right here, it's made to be compact. And if you haven't already seen it, and I'm going to show you guys in the next video or two, the new Dewalt Power Stack batteries. That's really what's going to turn these 3 into the compact muscle that you're going to need around the shop and on the job site. So stay tuned for the Power Stack. It's coming up next.